Close your eyes and imagine this. You wake up. Your legs feel like jelly. Your arms tremble as you reach for a glass of water. Getting out of bed takes more effort than it used to. You wonder, is this just normal aging? Or is something quietly stealing your strength while you sleep? The truth is, millions over 65 face the same mystery. But it's not your imagination, and you're not alone. There's a hidden culprit behind this slow, silent decline, and it has a name: sarcopenia. It's the gradual loss of muscle that begins as early as your 50s and accelerates after 60. No warnings, no pain, just slow, steady weakness that creeps in and changes how you live. But here's the good news. This decline is not inevitable. In the next few minutes, you'll discover 6 powerful bedtime foods that help rebuild muscle, restore energy, and support your strength, even if you're over 65. Sarcopenia is the medical term for age-related muscle loss, and it's more common than you think. Studies from Harvard show that up to 33% of your muscle mass can vanish after the age of 60, even if you eat well. The worst part? It doesn't just happen during the day. It happens at night when your body is meant to repair, but only if you fuel it properly. Your body rebuilds muscle while you sleep, but only if it has the right building blocks. So let's look at the 6 best bedtime foods that quietly protect and rebuild your strength overnight. Food number 1, kiwi. Several clinical studies have shown that kiwi can significantly improve sleep quality and duration, particularly in older adults. In a 4-week study published in the Asia-Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition, participants who consumed 2 kiwis 1 hour before bedtime fell asleep faster, slept longer, and had better sleep efficiency compared to baseline. The reason lies in kiwi's natural melatonin content. Melatonin is a hormone that regulates your sleep, wake cycle, and levels tend to decline with age. While many seniors turn to synthetic melatonin supplements, kiwi offers a food-based source that your body can absorb and use naturally. But the benefits go beyond sleep. Kiwi is also rich in antioxidants, particularly vitamin C and vitamin E, which play a critical role in reducing oxidative stress, a major factor in muscle degeneration as we age. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals that damage muscle cells, allowing better conditions for muscle recovery and regeneration during sleep. In addition, kiwi contains around 215 milligrams of potassium per fruit, a mineral essential for muscle contraction and relaxation. Low potassium is a known contributor to nocturnal leg cramps, a common complaint in people over 60. Another key advantage is kiwi's low glycemic index, GI 50, meaning it won't cause sharp spikes in blood sugar. This makes it a safe bedtime choice for individuals managing insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes, both of which are closely linked to muscle loss and inflammation. How to use? Eat 2 ripe green kiwis peeled about 1 hour before bedtime. No cooking required. Consume as is or add to a small portion of Greek yogurt for added protein. Kiwi is not just a snack. It's a scientifically backed functional food that supports sleep, muscle protection, and recovery, making it an ideal addition to any muscle-preserving nighttime routine for adults over 65. Food number 2, eggs. Eggs are classified as a complete protein source, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids required for muscle protein synthesis. This makes them particularly valuable for adults over 60, as aging muscles become less responsive to low doses of protein, a phenomenon known as anabolic resistance. Among these amino acids, leucine stands out. Research published in the Journal of Nutrition highlights leucine's role as a key trigger for muscle growth and repair. A single large egg contains approximately 6 grams of protein and 500 milligrams of leucine, which is sufficient to stimulate overnight muscle protein synthesis, especially when consumed in the evening. In addition to protein, eggs offer several micronutrients essential for muscle and nerve function. Vitamin D, which many older adults are deficient in, supports muscle strength, coordination, and helps prevent falls. Choline, found in the egg yolk, plays a crucial role in neuromuscular signaling and overall cognitive function. Contrary to older beliefs, moderate egg consumption does not increase heart disease risk for most people. A large 2020 review published in the BMJ concluded that eating up to 1 egg per day is safe and may even improve HDL, good cholesterol levels. Furthermore, eggs are highly digestible, making them an excellent option for seniors who may have difficulty chewing or digesting heavier proteins like red meat. How to use: eat 1 soft-boiled or poached egg about 1 hour before bedtime. Avoid frying or adding excessive salt or butter, which can impair digestion and elevate blood pressure. Because the body repairs and rebuilds tissue during sleep, providing high-quality protein in the evening is critical for maintaining muscle mass. Eggs, thanks to their nutrient density and bioavailability, serve as a powerful pre-sleep nutritional intervention to counteract sarcopenia and preserve mobility in older adults. Adding an egg to your bedtime routine is a science-backed step towards stronger mornings and healthier aging. Food number 3: pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, are a nutrient-dense food that delivers significant benefits for sleep quality, muscle recovery, and hormonal health, especially in adults over 60. One of their most important contributions is magnesium. A single 1 ounce, 28-gram, serving of pumpkin seeds provides approximately 150 milligrams of magnesium, or 37% of the recommended daily intake. According to the National Institutes of Health, magnesium plays a critical role in muscle relaxation, nerve transmission, and reducing nighttime leg cramps, a common issue among older adults. Magnesium also promotes deeper and more restorative sleep by regulating neurotransmitters like GABA, which help calm the nervous system. Clinical trials published in journals such as Nutrients have shown that increasing magnesium intake can improve both sleep duration and sleep quality in older populations. But magnesium isn't the only beneficial compound in pumpkin seeds. They are also a natural source of tryptophan, an amino acid that is converted into serotonin and then melatonin, the hormone responsible for sleep initiation. Combined with magnesium, this offers a dual-action benefit, calming the mind and relaxing the muscles. Additionally, pumpkin seeds provide around 7 grams of plant-based protein per ounce, along with zinc, which supports tissue repair and testosterone balance, a key factor in maintaining muscle mass, especially in aging men. How to use: consume 1 to 2 tablespoons of unsalted pumpkin seeds about 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. Enjoy them raw, lightly toasted without oil or salt, or sprinkle over plain Greek yogurt. Their low glycemic load makes pumpkin seeds safe for diabetics, and their healthy fats slow digestion, allowing a gradual release of amino acids through the night. Pumpkin seeds are more than just a snack. They are a clinically relevant muscle recovery tool that supports sleep, hormone health, and muscle repair, making them ideal for seniors aiming to preserve strength through the night. Food number 4: cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is one of the most scientifically validated foods for overnight muscle preservation, especially for adults over 60. What makes cottage cheese unique is its high content of casein, a slow-digesting protein that steadily releases amino acids into the bloodstream for 6 to 8 hours. This slow release is ideal for nighttime, when the body enters its primary phase of muscle repair and regeneration. Research published in the British Journal of Nutrition shows that pre-sleep casein protein intake significantly increases muscle protein synthesis overnight and helps reduce muscle breakdown in older adults. This is particularly important given the phenomenon of sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass, which accelerates during periods of fasting like sleep. Cottage cheese also contains a significant amount of leucine, the key amino acid that directly stimulates the mTOR pathway, responsible for initiating muscle growth. Just half a cup, approximately 100 g, of low-fat cottage cheese contains around 14 grams of protein and approximately 500 milligrams of leucine, which is considered sufficient to stimulate muscle repair in aging individuals. In addition to protein, cottage cheese is rich in vitamin B12, which supports nerve and muscle coordination, calcium, necessary for muscle contraction and bone health, and phosphorus, which supports energy metabolism during overnight recovery. Cottage cheese also have a low glycemic index and is low in carbohydrates, making it suitable for people with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. How to use? Eat 2 to 4 spoonfuls, about half a cup, of low-fat, low-sodium cottage cheese 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. Can be eaten plain or paired with a few slices of kiwi or a dash of cinnamon for taste. By providing a steady stream of amino acids overnight, cottage cheese helps reduce catabolism, promote muscle strength, and improve morning function, making it a cornerstone of any bedtime nutrition strategy for older adults seeking to maintain independence and mobility. Food number 5, Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is one of the most efficient and well-tolerated bedtime foods for muscle recovery and preservation, particularly in seniors. What sets Greek yogurt apart from regular yogurt is its high protein concentration, achieved through a straining process that removes much of the liquid whey. As a result, a typical 170 g, 6 ounces, serving contains 15 to 20 grams of protein, primarily in the form of casein, a slow-digesting protein that delivers amino acids gradually over several hours. This is important for older adults because muscle protein synthesis declines with age, and prolonged fasting during sleep can accelerate muscle breakdown. According to studies published in the Journal of the American Geriatric Society, consuming casein-rich dairy before bed helps stimulate overnight muscle repair and preserve lean mass, even in inactive seniors. Greek yogurt also contains leucine, a branched-chain amino acid essential for activating the mTOR pathway, which triggers muscle protein synthesis. One serving of Greek yogurt provides roughly 1,000 milligrams of leucine, exceeding the threshold needed to stimulate muscle recovery in older individuals. But Greek yogurt's benefits extend beyond protein. It's rich in calcium, vitamin D, and phosphorus, all of which are vital for muscle contraction, bone health, and cellular repair. Additionally, Greek yogurt contains probiotics, which promote gut health and enhance nutrient absorption, critical for older adults who may have compromised digestion. Furthermore, Greek yogurt has a low glycemic index and minimal lactose, making it well tolerated by those with mild lactose sensitivity or insulin resistance. How to use? Consume 1/2 to 1 cup of plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt about 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. Add a sprinkle of pumpkin seeds or a few slices of kiwi for added sleep and muscle benefits. Greek yogurt is a clinically supported bedtime snack that provides steady protein release, gut support, and anti-inflammatory nutrients, making it an excellent ally in the fight against age-related muscle loss. Food number 6, fatty fish. The final food on our list is a powerhouse that supports both muscle maintenance and sleep quality. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, sardines, or tuna. Fatty fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, docosahexaenoic acid. These essential fats have been shown in numerous studies, including a 2015 randomized trial published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, to enhance muscle protein synthesis, reduce inflammation, and improve muscle mass and function, especially in older adults. Omega-3s work by increasing the anabolic sensitivity of muscle tissue to amino acids and insulin, both of which decline with age. This means that consuming fatty fish regularly can make your muscles more responsive to the protein you eat, particularly at night when the body is in repair mode. Fatty fish are also a valuable source of complete protein, with 1 3-ounce, 85 g, serving of salmon providing about 21 grams of protein. That's a highly bioavailable source of amino acids, including leucine, the key trigger for muscle growth. Additionally, many fatty fish are rich in vitamin D, a nutrient essential for muscle strength, coordination, and neurological function, yet deficient in over 50% of adults over 65. Fatty fish also support better sleep. A study published in Scientific Reports found that regular consumption of salmon improved both sleep latency and overall sleep quality, likely due to its combined content of vitamin D and omega-3s, both of which regulate melatonin and serotonin production. How to use? Include a serving of fatty fish in your dinner 2 to 3 times per week. For bedtime, if eating fish directly isn't practical, consider a high-quality fish oil supplement. Consult your physician first. In summary, fatty fish are more than just a heart-healthy food. They're a muscle-preserving, inflammation-reducing, sleep-enhancing powerhouse, making them an essential part of a nighttime routine for anyone over 65 seeking to slow or reverse sarcopenia naturally. You don't need to change everything overnight. The path to stronger muscles and better mornings starts with one small choice tonight. Whether it's a spoonful of protein-rich dairy or a magnesium-rich seed, each bite before bed sends a powerful signal to your body. It's time to rebuild, to repair, to regain. You don't need intense workouts. You don't need expensive supplements. What matters most, especially after 65, is consistency in the little things. The foods we covered today aren't just snacks. They're tools your body can use while you sleep, when recovery matters most. So here's your action step. Pick just one and make it part of your bedtime routine tonight. Your body will thank you tomorrow. Now tell us in the comments, which one will you try first? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for our next bedtime muscle-saving tip.